Today we are going to learn about the properties of matter. The first thing we're going to talk about are substances. A substance is a matter which has a specific composition and specific properties. Each pure element is a substance. Every pure compound is a substance. An example of a substance is iron, which is an element and hence is also a substance. Physical properties can be observed without altering a substance composition. With chemical properties, which describe a substance's ability to combine with or change into one or more or new substances. But they are both affected by external conditions such as temperature and pressure. The three states of matter are solid, liquid, and gas. Let's look at the difference between chemical and physical changes. So we have iron rusting would be a chemical change, burning, cooking an egg, baking a cake, electroplating, banana rotting, vinegar plus baking soda, and fireworks. Physical changes would be like melting of ice cream, slicing of bread, and painting of walls. Which means a physical change can alter the physical properties of a substance without changing its composition. While a chemical change, also known as chemical reaction, involves a change in substances' compositions, and reactants form products. The law of conservation of mass was discovered in 1789, and mass is neither created nor destroyed in chemical reactions, meaning the mass of any one element at the beginning of a reaction will equal the mass of the element at the end of the reaction. Mixtures are physically combined structures that can be separated into their original components. A chemical substance is composed of one type of atom or molecule. Matter can be broken down into two categories: pure substances and mixtures. A pure substance are further broken down in elements and compounds. Mixtures also consist of homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixture. You probably know elements as a periodic table of elements. Elements are substances that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical or physical means. The elements are organized in the periodic table of elements as you can see here. A compound is a molecule made of atoms from different elements. All compounds are molecules, but not all molecules are compounds. Again, a compound is a chemical combination of two or more elements. Properties of compounds differ from the properties of their component elements, in other words. So, common chemical compounds are water, ammonia, hydrogen peroxide, and carbon dioxide. In chemistry, the law of definite proportion, sometimes called Proust's laws or the law of definite proportion, constant composition states that a given chemical compound always contains its component element in a fixed ratio, which is by mass, and does not depend on its source and method of preparation. It states that if elements from more than one compound, those compounds will be compositions that are small, whole number multiples of each other. Now we are going to talk about scientific notation. If the exponent goes up, the decimal point moves to the left. If the exponent goes down, the decimal point moves right. Now let's do an example. So here we are at 0.00000053, which would equal, move the decimal point 6 places right. So you would do 5.3 times 10 to the negative